Hey everyone, artificial intelligence is evolving very fast and Microsoft is changing the way AI applications are built. Earlier, many people knew the platform as AI Azure Foundry, but now Microsoft is expanding the vision towards Microsoft Foundry, a platform focused on building AI applications and AI agents. If you are preparing for Microsoft certifications, learning Azure AI, or planning to become an AI developer, this is one of most important concept to understand. In this video, we'll learn what Microsoft Foundry is, why Microsoft created it, what AI agents are, main components, real world use cases, and why developers should learn this now. So let's understand the most basic question, what exactly is Microsoft Foundry? Microsoft Foundry is Microsoft's unified platform for building, deploying, managing, and monitoring AI applications and AI agents. Think about traditional software development. Usually, developers use separate tools, one tool for models, one tool for deployment, another for monitoring, another for testing. AI development become difficult very quickly. Microsoft Foundry combines these capabilities into one ecosystem. Using Foundry, developers can access AI models, building AI applications, create AI agents, connect business data, test prompts, monitor responses, deploy applications securely. Think about Microsoft Foundry like a modern AI factory where developers build intelligent applications. Now, the question becomes, why did Microsoft create this platform? The answer is simple. AI development was becoming complicated. Companies today want a system that can understand business data, use tools, automate workflows, scale securely. Managing many disconnected services slows development. Microsoft created Foundry to solve that challenges. The goal is to help teams build faster, experiment easier, improve governance, deploy securely, scale enterprise AI solutions. Instead of spending managing infrastructure, developers can focus on creating better AI experiences. One of biggest changes in modern AI is moving from chatbots to AI agent. Traditional chatbots mostly respond to user question. For example, user asks what is the weather? Chatbot answers, interaction ends. But AI agents are different. AI agent can use tools, access APIs, retrieve information, execute workflows, perform multiple actions. For example, imagine an AI travel assistant. Instead of only answering the question, it could be search flights, compare prices, recommended hotels, generate identity. That's why Microsoft is investing heavily in AI agents. Now let's understand major component. First, model. Developer can access different AI models depending on their use case. Second, AI service. This helps build and scale AI agent. Third, prompt engineering. Prompt quality directly affects AI output quality. Fourth, search. AI can connect to compare document and knowledge. Finally, monitoring. Organization can track performance, safety, usage, reliability. These capabilities together create enterprise AI applications. Now let's see where it can actually be used. Customer support. AI agents answer customer questions. Document assistant. Employee asks questions from internal documents. Healthcare. Summarize information faster. Developer productivity. Generate code and improve workflows. Business automation. Automate repetitive processes. This is where enterprise AI become practical. So why you should learn Microsoft Foundry? Because AI development is changing. the future is moving forward: AI applications, AI agents, intelligent automation. Learning this platform can help you prepare for Azure certifications, build modern AI applications, understand AI, improve career opportunities, especially for developers, AI engineers, cloud professionals, technical project managers. So, this was a beginner friendly introduction to Microsoft Foundry and evaluation of Azure AI Foundry. I hope this video help you understand bigger picture of Microsoft AI ecosystem. In next video, we will understand one of the most important topic: AI apps versus AI agent. If you found this helpful, subscribe and follow this learning series. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.